Hello, this is Joey. I'm here filming with Stu, and we thought we'd do a little tutorial because something that often happens is students ask us how to learn the Sanskrit names of the postures. So we're going to do a little sort of sing-along, and this is actually how this is practiced in the Shala with Lakshmish these days. And actually, I also remember years ago when Pattabhi Jois was at conference, he sometimes randomly used to just go, "Hey, you," and he would make us chant or say the names of the postures of the primary series or the second series in order. It was something we all used to dread. We sort of wanted to go to conference to hear his words of wisdom, and then at the same time we also thought, I hope he picks somebody else if we have to know the names of the postures. But we actually genuinely used to practice a bit like this. So here we go. I chant the first name of the pose or sequence, like Surya Namaskara, and then I chant it a second time. So for you, you listen on the first time, repeat on the second. It's very simple. Here we go. Okay. Om Surya Namaskara A, Surya Namaskara A, Surya Namaskara B, Surya Namaskara B, Padangusthasana, Padangusthasana, Padahasthasana, Padahasthasana, Trikonasana, Trikonasana, Parivritta Trikonasana, Parivritta Trikonasana, Parshvakonasana, Parshvakonasana, Parivritta Parshvakonasana, Parivritta Parshvakonasana, Prasarita Parottanhasana, Prasarita Parottanhasana, Parshvottanhasana, Parshvottanhasana, Utita Hastapadangusthasana, Utita Hastapadangusthasana, Ardha Bhaddha Padmotanhasana, Ardha Bhaddha Padmotanhasana, Utkathasana, Utkathasana, Virabhadrasana, Virabhadrasana, Dandhasana, Dandhasana, Paschimottanhasana, Paschimottanhasana, Purvattanhasana, Purvattanhasana, Ardha Bhaddha Padma Paschimottanhasana, Ardha Bhaddha Padma Paschimottanhasana, Trayanga Mukhapadha Paschimottanhasana, Tiryanga Mukhapadha Paschimottanhasana, Jhanushishasana, Jharnushishasana, Marichyasana, Marichyasana, Navhasana, Navhasana, Bhujipidhasana, Bhujipidhasana, Kurmhasana, Kurmhasana, Supta Kurmhasana, Supta Kurmhasana, Garbhapindhasana, Garbhapindhasana, Kukuthasana, Kukuthasana, Baddhakonhasana, Baddhakonhasana, Uppavishtakonhasana, Uppavishtakonhasana, Suptakonhasana, Suptakonhasana, Suptapadangusthasana, Suptapadangusthasana, Ubhayapadangusthasana, Ubhayapadangusthasana, Urdhvamukha Paschimottanhasana, Urdhvamukha Paschimottanhasana, Setubandhasana, Setubandhasana, Urdhvadhanurasana, Urdhvadhanurasana, Paschimottanhasana, Paschimottanhasana, Sarvanghasana, Sarvanghasana, Halasana, Halhasana, Karnapidhasana, Karnapidhasana, Urdhvapadmasana, Urdhvapadmasana, Pindhasana, Pindhasana, Matsyasana, Matsyasana, Uttanapadhasana, Uttanapadhasana, Shirshasana, Shirshasana, Bhadapadmasana, Bhadapadmasana, Padmasana, Padmasana, Utpluttihi, Utpluttihi. That's it.